Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to show you the wrong way and the right way to restore your lens on your WaveRunner speedometer. Now the correct way to do this, and also of course the hardest way, is to take some sandpaper and remove the layer of plastic. So this is called crazing. It's like cracking that's happening. But I'm going to show you how I've been fixing it. So every few months I just get some vegetable oil and simply put it on, and you can actually read the speedometer again. The problem is water washes this away. So I'll show you what the vegetable oil does. You just rub it in there and it fills in all the cracks. And I actually put more on than I usually do, so it's kind of smeary. So now you can actually read the speedometer. The oil will wash away, but you only have to do this every month or two if you ride very seldomly. Now I'm going to show you the right way to do it, and that's by sanding. Now I'm going to start off at 200 grain. You can start off a little heavier at 100 grain if you think that it requires it, but I don't believe it does. Wow, these Velcro pads are not very good. Damn, just shreds them. Alright, unfortunately this is one of those times where I was trying to save time and it ended up taking more time. So, learn from my mistakes. Just get sandpaper. Here's the kit that I ordered from Amazon a long time ago that I've always been using, and I should have just used for this. I'll put the item in the video right here, and then in the description as well. It has like every sandpaper you would need in it. It is kind of hard to organize because they like to curl, but alright, so I'm not gonna need my 120. I am gonna need 2500. Don't get that dirty. 240, 240, 320. Come on, show me 400. There it is. Alright, 400. Like I said, this kit has everything. Alright. Now I'm just going to cut little pieces out. And you do really have to go up just double every number of sandpapers. So I was doing 200 previously, or 180, and this is 400. So the next one is going to be 800, one after that 1600, etc. You can round a little bit, I found. And with each sandpaper grain you go, you'll notice that the amount that comes off is less and less. So see this like whiteness that's there? That kind of shows you that you're making progress, but eventually it'll stop and you'll still be making progress. This is rough on the fingers, I'll tell you that. All right, let's say that's good for 400. Let's go find our 800. $800. Cut some chunks out of that. Actually, I'm gonna cut smaller chunks this time. All right, so that was 800. Now we go to 1600, 2500. $1,500. That'll work. I've used the sandpaper here for like so many projects. I think the kit came with a lot more. All right, so that was 1,500. Let's try to find 3,000. Actually, I'm gonna hit it with 2,500 first really quick. Alrighty. All right, this is 2,500. Alrighty, I might have used up my 3,000 in this kit. So, luckily, I think 3,000 is one of the ones that came in this kit. I'm gonna guess working from the bottom that's 3,000. Alright, and for the final coat, I'm going to use some plastx, plastic polish, to shine this up a little bit more. It's already pretty good. I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, but you can easily see it now. But I'm still going to polish it so it looks like new. I'm going to use a melamine sponge to polish it with the plastx. I haven't read that this works well anywhere, but I'm going to try it because I don't have a sponge. Alright, that worked pretty good. Now I'm going to hit it with a little bit more and a towel. So that is dry now. There are some imperfections that I was unable to get out. I don't know if you can see them on the camera right there. That must have been like nicks from something because it's pretty deep. It feels smooth, but you can still see them there. But this is like a night and day difference. Like you can see the shine. You can see the camera in the reflection. So, just to reiterate, the materials used were a crappy drill mounted sanding disc kit that didn't work, a super awesome sanding kit on Amazon that's actually more expensive than the disc kit. I think this is like 20. But you know, I've used this so much for so many projects. So of course I'll post that link in the description. And I also use plastx. I actually don't use this that often. I just had it on hand because I used it for a project like 5 years ago. But this is what you're going to need to actually polish the plastic to the final shininess, because otherwise it's going to be kind of cloudy. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's fire it up, see how she looks. Looks like a job well done. Thanks for watching.